Assalamu alaikum dear parents. In this video we will show you the communication function of the application through mobile app as well. The communication has two features, messages and ticketing. Messaging feature will help you to communicate directly with your child's teacher regarding any academic related issues. And the ticketing feature will help you to communicate directly with relevant staff member for all non-academic related issues. Now going on to the messaging feature which takes you to the teacher directly, write the teacher's name, then the subject and compose the message for the teacher. After writing the message, click on the arrow on the top in the middle, which is the send button, and your message is sent to the concerned teacher. Now the message can be checked in your sent messages which you have shared with the teacher today at 2:31 p.m. and again when the teacher replies back to you, they will come in your inbox, wherein the inbox at present is empty because we have no messages. Now coming out of this feature, we'll go to ticketing. You can see the ticketing module here. You click on this and again I would like to zoom in for you. And this is the landing page. On your left hand side, you can see raise ticket in light sky blue color. You click on that and again a window opens for you to create a ticket. Now enter the ticket title, which can be say Google classes. Then the problem area, again you have a drop box and you can pick any. Then describe, and then the ticket priority, again you see a drop box on your mobile, and then the student admission number. Click on one, or if you have for either of the 2 or 3 siblings, choose one of them. And choose any attachments if you have to, and then click on the create button. Now here in the landing page, you can see the last one is what we created right now. Now going from left to right, you can see the status and the actions taken. Now for today's query, the status is open. And now for example, if you want to know the history of any of the past queries or concerns raised by you, I can take you to one of the examples here. Now clicking on the past history, this is the comment box which lands on your page, which reads about the past concerns which you have raised, and then the date and the time, the queries, the questions asked by you, and then the replies shared by the school. So this history will help you to record all your concerns in the due course of time. Thank you.